Hey guys, we're at Tiny Life Homes in Franklin, North Carolina, and we are touring some of the RV park models they have on their lot. Today we're going to take you through a Skyway by Clayton Homes. This one is a roughly 12 by 44 frame. We're sitting on the outside porch. We'll talk about that when we get inside the house. But first, walk around the house, and then we'll get inside. Let's go. Guys, we're in the living space of the Clayton Skyway, and you saw outside this home has two rather interesting porches. It's got one on the end where we filmed the intro. That one is about 9 foot 8 by 12 foot wide. Then it's got the side porch or a second entry to this home, and that porch is about 9.5 foot by 3.5 foot deep, just enough for you not to get rained on when you're trying to get in the house. But I'm sitting in the living space. This space now, I told you outside during the introduction, this space is or the home is 12 foot. Well, that's you're getting into frame sizes versus actual interior. But the interior of this room is 11 foot because you got wall thickness. You got to understand it off of the frame. So the frame's this big. Then you start building the walls and you build the house in. So this room is 11 foot. And from this little wall to these beautiful windows, I love the way they did these windows, but that's 7 foot 6 inches. So you can see there's plenty of room for this large sofa here. Comfortably seats three. Maybe if you got a couple little kids, you can seat four here. But this is one of the homes at Tiny Life Homes. We're going to put all their information in the description below. This one's made by Clayton. We've seen a lot of Claytons. And the cool thing about Clayton is the way they do their floor plans. They're more unique than anybody else that we've really looked at. Um, we've got the cathedral area. This home is barn style roof, if you want to say that. I guess you call that, or shed style roof, where just like this. It's not your frame roof, your A-frame roof like that. It's low on one side, tall on the other, shed style roof. So the height of the ceiling over here is a lot shorter than over there. But the living space, you've got a Mitsubishi mini split head unit right there. You've got a place for your TV, and you've got your door going off to your porch. Now, you don't have a lot of eating space in this home. I'll show you a little bit. It's just to your right, but this home is designed for that exterior porch to really sit and eat, be a 3 season, 4 season place to just go eat, depending on where you're located. You do have this bar here. This is a quartz countertop, I believe, solid surface. You do have space for two or three to eat there at that bar. And Clayton has your, again, most manufacturers nowadays have gone to your soft close hinges and things, so that's not anything unique. Clayton has gone to stainless steel package in here. These are the Samsung, so you know if you've watched some of our previous videos, they went to Samsung for the new model year. So this is a newer model. It's got your small dishwasher here. This is one of the 18-inch dishwashers, and it's got the undermount single bowl sink with a sprayer spring faucet right there. It's really kind of a fake spring, but you've got a stainless steel glass top, stove, and range combination, and you got your microwave above. You get a really nice Samsung uh, dual door refrigerator with a sliding freezer at the bottom. And it's got a second drawer in it as well. So a nice appliance package comes with this. This unit is on sale right now. We're filming in June. Is it June? June of 2025. this unit is on sale. Now, kitchen space, I didn't really do that. Let me give you an idea. From the corner of this counter to the backsplash over there behind the refrigerator, 10 foot 6 inches. And we're finding that's getting pretty standard in these tiny homes. Everybody's in a 9 foot to 10 foot kitchen space, but you do get this bonus prep space and eating space there with this center island. So let's go back. Lots of light. If you folks, I know a lot of you comment all the time, too many windows, too many windows. You're not going to like this home. This thing is loaded up with windows. But beautiful windows flanking this second entry door and transoms above those, the door and the windows. You do have the blinds to cut down on some of the light if you have a problem with that. It's got the tongue and groove style ceilings, recessed lights throughout the house, ceiling fan over in the living space. And as we come back through here, through the hallway, let's give you a quick clearance. This is a 28-inch wide clearance to get in here. The bathroom door is a barn style 5-panel door, and the clearance is just at 24 inches to get in the bathroom. Now this bathroom has a shower unit, and then your counters and your cabinets, of course, carry over. Exhaust fan, elongated toilet, a window with privacy glass, and recessed light over the vanity and over the shower unit. Get a quick measurement on this room. It's 6'8" from just behind you, and the shower unit is 4 foot. It's a 4 foot shower unit. You do have storage right here for linens and additional Sasquatch paper. That's what I'm going to start calling it from now on.
And a sliding door.
And sliding door comes with it. Sliding door, yep. Like Tammy said, that sliding door is in that box. It doesn't get busted up when they're moving this thing. Rain shower head. And you got a little space above. You can put a little picture or nice little plant if you want to add some greenery or something like that. Now, nice bonus feature in this house. As you come out in the hallway, oh, sorry, I didn't know he was already filming it. There's a humongous pantry. Got L shape set up with the shelves. It's 4 foot 2 inches wide, 2 foot 6 inches deep. Your finishes and your flooring continues into it. It's got a recessed light inside of it. And it's got an actual closing barn style farmhouse door. These are the old 5-panel farmhouse doors. And as you look up above that, there is an additional spot up there for storage. There's a window up there, goes across, but you could use that for storage. You could put plants, imagine ferns and vines hanging off of that, or however you decorate, or if you just need the space for storage. Now, right here, we've got a washer dryer combo unit, Samsung in the black finish. That's really, really nice unit. And it is sitting right here in the hallway. But the cool thing is, you can turn right this way, and boom, you've got some more storage. That is about a 9-inch deep shelf unit that goes up, and it comes with 4 shelves. But you can fold up some linens nice and tight and comfy and put them in there. You could put your sweaters, make them nice. You could put those little bins. Tammy likes those little, I don't know, what do you call those things? Those bins with the handles on them, just
like a wicker bin?
Like a wicker bin, cloth bin. Mm-hmm. And you can store different things on those, and or you can just use it for your Schlotsky's deli stuff. I mean, your Chotskys. Put on there your whatnots. Got a pocket door going into the bedroom. This pocket door is 2 foot 5 inches, so it's 29 inches. Plenty of room for wheelchair accessibility, except this bedroom is a little small. Challenge of tiny homes, keeping them under the 399 square foot limit for RV park models, is something's got to suffer. Clayton, with all their unique floor plans, they skimped a little bit in this bedroom. But some people like nice, cozy bedrooms. This is a nice cozy bedroom. We will measure this again, 10 foot 5 inches wide, and from the headboard to the wall, whoa, 8 foot 2 inches. So you are stuck here. This confines you, 5 foot 4 inches. So that's 64 inches. So that confines the bed that you can put in here. But you do have nice closets flanking each side. Those have dual rods and a shelf at the top. And those are the wooden rods with the vinyl coating on them. These closets, 2 foot 2 inches wide by 2 foot deep. So that's the space on those two closets. And again, they've got the farmhouse doors. And you still see your shed roof line here. Mitsubishi second mini split, plenty of recessed lighting, and a ceiling fan. Now I'm over here on this side where I'm at. Floor to ceiling is just around 8.5 foot. But if you go over here where you guys are at, I'm going to go over in this corner, get you a measurement, let you know how tall this ceiling is. Oh, I got to hold it steady to do that. Sorry. 10 foot 7 inches. So the roof line goes from about 10 foot and a half to 8.5 foot. So it's about a 2 foot drop over the 12 foot width. So there you go. That's the house. Do have some storage space above the closet so you can set stuff on. Somebody mentioned one of the last houses we toured. We toured a house that had, it was dark and it looked like a cabin. And the lady says, "Oh, it's all masculine. It's like a men's hunting cabin or something." And I checked with 19 of my girlfriends, and nobody would want to live in that house because it's so manly looking. It's not girly. Well, the cool thing about this Clayton, this Skyway, is it's neutralized. It's white. It's beautiful. It's airy. It's bright. There's nothing particularly masculine or feminine about it. You can add your own touches, your own colors, your own whatever to it, and you'll have your house. But we're done here. You guys, hope you enjoyed this tour. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe, ding that notification bell so you'll know the next time we have content coming up. You can watch it. And the price of this house, it is on sale, $127,900. So if you guys are interested, Tiny Life Homes, it is tinylife.com. So we'll put all their information in our description like we always do. Hope you enjoyed this tour. We're going on to the next one. Thanks, guys. We'll see you.